enjoy and really have a good time. And my other goal is also just to showcase people the songs of my heart and the songs of what I'm feeling and what I'm going through.
But sabi mo nga parang ayaw mong attach kay Sarah when it comes to your career, di ba? Meron kayong professional friends with Sarah? Since siya parang nandun na siya, may title?
No, absolutely nothing. You know, I'm very proud of her whatever she does, and I guess she is the same. My side also, but you know, we told each other as much as possible, let's not work together, let's keep everything very separate. Because in the industry, it's so easy na mag-rumble ng lahat at maging confusing na lahat. So we told each other, you know, do your thing, I'll do my thing, and when we see each other, it's nothing to do with work. It's just real life.
So hindi ka na-pressure na maka-create din ng sarili mo name sa industry?
I want to do that. I want to prove myself that I deserve to be here, and you know, I'm hard work. I want to be here, and this is the path I chose. So sana magustuhan ng mga tao. You know, our goal is just to make people happy and have people have a good time and make people feel different things in the heart.
Mateo, yung sinasabi mo separation ng personal life and career, dahil ba ito sa mga sinasabi rin ng fans na ibang fans na nagagamit si Sarah para sa ano ng career?
Wala namang the bashers online won't affect me. I'm the last person that they'll affect because I just see it, I just laugh at it. I have better things to do than, you know, I have sports, I have good friends, you know, I have so many other things. And I guess I take it as a creative criticism. You know, these people inspire me to be better. You know, I'm like, okay, you know. So no, it's just our choice since the start. Now we want to keep things different and keep things separate.
You get tired of yung paulit-ulit minsan na question na what's Sarah's role in every step of the way na ginagawa kasi sunod-sunod yung ginagawa.
I hope someday the people understand and, you know, keep us separate, especially in work. I hope one day, but it's hard because that's reality. We can't turn around from reality. So just live with it and just do what we can, do our best.
Paano mo nakuha si Morissette for the concert?
Kasama ko si Morissette sa TFC Shows Abroad. And we sang one time at the TFC Connect in San Francisco yata. Sabi ko, Morissette, kanta ta. And we sang like a mashup or something. Tapos sabi ko, nagpa-pinky promise kami ng mami niya. Mami, pag may concert ako, nandun si Morissette. So, yun, tuloy. Maraming salamat, Morissette. I really like, pag may makita akong Bisaya yeah, she's from Cebu also. So,
pero nanonotice mo na may hawig siya kay Sarah?
Super.
So hindi ka talaga makawala dun sa anino niya. Pati sa boses sinasabi nga, di ba? Parang tinag Sarah.
Yeah, but Morissette has her own voice. Has her own sound now. It's really exciting. Mas si Morissette, so pag mapapanood ko siya, wow ka talaga.
Anong impression sa kanya ni Sarah?
She's Team Sarah, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah, I think Sarah's very proud of her. She's very proud. Yun, my intention lang is because she's Bisaya, she's from Cebu, and that's why I'm really proud of it. So that's why I like to put all the Cebuanos together in one project.
Si Sarah ba naiintindihan din ngayon ganyan, parang gusto mo na kumbaga hindi nga ma-attach sa'yo, naiintindihan niya pag hindi mo siya kinukuha for your concert?
Of course naman. Pinag-usapan naman yan, and that's something clear to both of us.
Pero gusto niyang manood?
I don't know. I'm sure, but I guess she's really busy. She's busy with her concert. So, marami siyang ginagawa din.
Ikaw din, hindi ka mag-guest sa concert niya?
No. Hindi mangyari yun.
Hindi ka naman nanonood?
I don't know yet. We'll see.
Ba't hindi mo ni-request kay Sarah na solo concert ito dapat manood ka o mag-support?
Tingnan natin. Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi namin pinag-usapan yung
Ayaw.
Hindi, wala talaga.
Kasi kumbaga solo mo to, hindi naman yung tatlo kayo or what?
Yeah, I understand where you're coming. Yeah, I understand. But we'll see. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Pray.
We'll see.
Pero si Mami, di ba, hindi invite sa concert?
Gusto na manood. Hindi mo naman
Just for courtesy.
Siyempre.
Nakikita mo na ba ngayon, Matt, kung saan papunta yung relasyon niya ni Sarah?
Okay naman lahat. You know, just taking it step by step. But you know, my main focus talaga is the things I'm doing now, the concert, the music, and syempre she's my inspiration to doing all of this, you know, because she's the one that fuels my heart kumbaga right now. So the songs, the music, everything, she's the inspiration.
Ano naging reaction mo nung narinig mo na may interview si Sarah, sinabi niya at 30 gusto niya nang mag-asawa?
Well, we don't know, you know. We don't know what's next in life. We don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. We just have to live day by day and give everything our best, give every day our best shot. See where it's gonna take us. So, ayun.
Hindi ka na pressure.
Dapat hindi tayo ma-pressure eh. Kasi kapag ma-pressure tayo, baka walang mangyayari, di ba? So dapat step by step, day by day, focus muna tayo sa mga ginagawa natin.
So sa ngayon, hindi niya pa napag-usapan yung future?
Minsan.
Ilang songs ang niready mo?
We have about, I think 20 something. Yeah.
Mateo, question na lang, since you mentioned traffic kanina, music mo for playlist for traffic. Name 5 songs.
What's that song? I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you.
Like I'm gonna lose you.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose you there. And
Or more.
I can't feel my face. What's the other song I was listening to? The Adam Levine song. Ano yun? Na 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 na. Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
Okay.
Ano yan? Would you still love me the same?
Yun.
I think. And the other one is... Ano bang mga magandang kanta ngayon?
OPM, meron ka ba?
The one of Bamboo Firepower. Yeah,
Okay.
that one.
Okay.
Yung thinking out loud, yung makakanta.
Hindi ko alam. Tingnan natin. Hindi ko pa. Wala pa sa playlist. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ay, may